papunta sa Malaysia. Off to her second country. Welcome to Malaysia, guys! Visit Malaysia 2026, truly Asia. Very nice shoes. Hi! Grab is here na, guys. First plan sana namin is mag-book ng Grab. Mag-train going to Woodlands checkpoint kasi doon kami sasakay ng train going to Malaysia. Pero parang mas convenient if Grab. So 1.9 yung babayaran namin, guys. 500 pesos each na lang kami. Six-seater pala yung binook namin, guys. Kasi marami kaming luggage. 2 big luggages tapos 4 na small luggages. Away lang driver seat.
Right 100 din ito, no?
Oo, kurang pinataylan sa... Okay ka ga? Ay, automatic!
Matik eh.
Sorry!
Ay, bani. I don't have this.
Masakay na dyan sakyan na dari sa Singapore. Finally, guys, it's a train checkpoint. Very convenient, guys, mag-vlog. Finally, nakalagpas na kami sa Singapore at saka Malaysia na immigration. So, dyan na kami, guys, sasakay ng train. Ayan, 5 minutes train to papunta sa Malaysia or Johor Bahru. Off to her second country. Second country ni Mama, yay!
Second?
Second na? Oo, gali, second na.
Ang shoes ang kambing.
Ang Singapore, walang walang tatak. Sa Malaysia meron. Tapos pala, guys, hindi kami tinanong, madali lang. Guys, 5 minutes ride lang to from Woodlands North going to Johor Bahru. Then later, mga 12 noon or 12:45 PM is another train ride kami. Johor Bahru to Kuala Lumpur na. Yung 5 minutes dito sa guys, Singapore to Malaysia, ibang country na yung mapupuntahan mo. Sa atin, guys, yung 5 minutes, nag-atlang pang jeep, char. Saan lang kami? JB Central. Welcome to Malaysia! Welcome to Malaysia, guys! Finally, nasa Malaysia na kami. Another country. In fairness, ang dali Right now, guys, since 8:30 pa. And since 12:45 pa yung namin, guys, next train. Standby muna kami. Maybe dito sa KFC para mag-wait sa aming next train ride going na sa Kuala Lumpur. Wala pa kaming pera, guys, pero nakaisim pala ako. And by the way, before kayong pumunta dito sa Malaysia is meron din silang MDAC, Malaysia Digital Arrival Card, something like that. KTMB pala yung app na binook namin sa train, yung 5 minutes train, para siyang shuttle, something like that, from Woodlands train checkpoint going na sa Johor Bahru Central. Medyo luma siya tingnan yung train, pero once napapasok kayo, guys, ang ganda ng loob. Ang ganda ng chair, tapos yung aircon kasi sobrang lamig talaga. And right now, nandito kami sa KFC kasi dito kami kakain muna while waiting for our next train ride, and it's currently 8:40 AM pa, guys. Dito kami kakain lang ng breakfast, tapos later baka bibili lang kami sa labas Pero dito kami mag-standby. Add to cart. 26.50 ringgit. So, okay na na eh? Pay now na lang eh. Skip.
Received payment 26 ringgit and 50 cents.
May show. Ito. Very convenient. Order is here na guys. Ayan, we have here. Ito, kamama. Lang may mani, egg, tapos yan, gulay-gulay. Tapos sa akin, nasa limak with chicken. Ayan. Hey guys! While waiting sa 12:45 namin na train is maglalakad muna kami around JB Central. Pero sila mama nandun sa KFC. Kami lang ngayon. Hi, finally! My solo time together. Char!
Hey.
Yay! Ito yung makikita nyo guys dito. Mga tumbler. Oh, Tupperware. Uso po dito Tupperware. Asa din na ang Tupperware nga origin? Hot link. Ay, mga casing. Try kami. Basta na barato diri. Try. LR. Lahira. Lahira Coffee Express LR. Ay, wala. Merong ATM dito. Pwede kami mag-video dito, guys. Ayan, pwede kayong mag-video dito if you are also here sa JB Central or Johor Bahru Central. Visit Malaysia 2026 Truly Asia. Pwede kayong mag-standby dito while waiting sa departure time. Bigyan kami ng ganito guys, parang flyer siya ng isang condominium. Is it a sign na ba guys na dito tayo titira? Char! Ay, mga coffee shops. Ay, oh, from the name itself, Coffee Express. LR, Lahit Rajad. Strip sales, 5 ringgit. So, hindi na tayo mag-Singaporean dollar. Nasa ano na talaga tayo, Malaysia, RM, Malaysian ringgit. Passport cover. Cute lagi. Mga water nila guys, ano, 1 ringgit lang. Oh, nasa Philippines man no? Yeah. Guys, may nakita kaming roti boy. Father pala to, oh, roti. Hi, father. Roti boy. Ayan, eto guys, nakikita ko to siya sa mga videos and masarap daw siya. So, try kami bibili. 3 ringgit lang. 3.50 ringgit. Oo. Ayan. Ah, first time natin. Sige, go. Hindi pala sila mag-accept ng card, guys. So, mag-video na lang kami. Kasi, meron naman kaming ATM na nakita doon kanina. Tapos na palang mag-video si Jan at saka si Tita, guys. And Jan sila nag-video. Yan. Tapos, parang may 400 pesos na charge. And try namin sa ibang ATM. Dito siguro. Without conversion, yung i-click nyo, guys. Ay, buing tara de. Look, how cute sa inyong gosh. So, nag-video na kami guys. 400 ringgit siya. Tag 200 ringgit kami ni mama. Case lang na if ever hindi mag-accept ng card yung mga stores, no? At least meron kaming cash na dala. So, 200 ringgit is mga around 3,000 plus pesos. So, yun. May charge talaga siya guys. Mga 400 din siguro. Meron na tayong cash. And right now, bibili na tayo ng roti boy. Tara.
Shout out kay Daddy Roti.
Shout out kay Daddy. Ay, Daddy. Papa Rog.
Papa mo siya, Daddy ko siya.
Hello? This one? Yes. Here? Sponsor nila din yung no? Thank you so much. Hey. Roti boy. We're here na guys, waiting for our train. Actually, it's currently 11:22 AM pa. And then yung expected arrival ng train namin is 12:45 pa. I mean 12:45 yung departure time namin. So nandito lang kami, waiting na lang for our train to arrive. So ano kami, going to KL Central or Kuala Lumpur Central. Later na lang natin i-try yung roti boy guys. Doon na sa train kasi medyo busog pa kami sa KFC. Update guys, it's currently 12:15 PM na. So time na to board. Meron kaming QR code guys, scan lang.
Luggage belakang sikit ya luggage.
Actually, hindi siya bullet train. Para lang siyang express train. Ayan. Mabilis lang naman kasi 4 hours lang yung biyahe. Coach F kami, so medyo nasa malayo. Where's the Coach F? Okay, thank you. So Coach F, medyo malayo pa. Coach F, finally! Yan. Sa loob na kami guys. And medyo maluwag yung legroom. Ayan, may footrest. Pwede kayong mag-charge dito. Finding CR 101. Meron din silang CR guys. We are at the CR. So meron din silang CR guys. Bibili muna kami ng food kasi meron naman silang parang canteen dito. Let's go. Explore tayo sa ano nila, train. Finally, nakakita na kami guys. Wala sila lugaw. Ano sa mga? So, meron silang Maggi hot cup tom yum, hot cup chicken, or hot cup curry. Ang tom yum spicy. Ay, meron din silang ano pala guys, mga nasi goreng, ganyan. Ayan. Mga foods talaga, like rice, meals, ganyan. Ay, nawa naman. Cup noodles. Yeah, Maggi. Pila na?
How much?
This one?
2.
KL Central. Station Berikutnya. Segawan.
The final destination station for this train is KL Central.
Our view guys. So di ba guys, mostly if mag-cross border kayo sa Singapore to Malaysia, di ba most common na route is ano siya, by bus. Pero ito guys, intentional talaga namin ginawa na by train kasi meron namang bus sa Philippines or sa Cebu. Tapos yung train guys, wala lang, parang mas memorable yung mga train rides, ganyan. Mas in favor kami sa train ride compare if mag-by bus kami. Tapos sobrang dali lang naman yun guys. Bumili lang kami ng parang cup noodles. So babalik na tayo. Kusugan naman na ni Bebe. Wait, sorry. Oh. Pagka kainit. We finally made it here na guys sa KL Central. Ayan yung train na sinakyan namin kanina. And 12:45 kami nag-depart kanina. Tapos nakarating kami dito sa KL Central around 5:05 PM. So most likely mga 4 hours din yung biyahe niya. And then later guys, i-share ko sa inyo kung paano kami nag-book dito sa KPM commuter from Woodlands North to Johor Bahru and Johor Bahru to KL Central. Finally guys, masasabi na natin na nandito na tayo sa lugar kung saan nandito si Upin Ipin. Kaya nanood ba kayo ng Upin Ipin? Comment down below if nanood kayo ng Upin Ipin. 2 for 1 ringgit. So nilayan nyo ng expression? I like it, I like it, I like it! Hi, my name is Upin. And he is Ipin. Yes, 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 yes! Sakto ba? Kapuyo. Ito palang forma ng KL Central, guys. Meron palang mga train din doon sa itaas. So, kung kanina nasa baba kami. Tapos, dito din merong mga ATM machines. Since marami kaming dala, guys, mag-book kami ng Grab. 54 ringgit yata. Grabe guys, ang bilis nagtaas nung fare sa Grab. Kanina, nung nag-search ako, mga 52 ringgit pa. And then, naging 76. Tapos ngayon, 94 ringgit na. Sige na lang eh. Kasi medyo malayo-layo pa from here yung Sky Suites KLCC. Hello! Currently here na sa Sky Suites KLCC. Are you the one? Okay, okay, thank you. More daghan siya gi-entertain pa. Okay, okay, thank you. Actually guys, meron palang deposit 200 ringgit yung hotel deposit. Then ibibigay lang after check out yung deposit na 200 ringgit. We're here. Yan yung pagsisihan natin guys. Finally, nandito na tayo sa aming accommodation. And guess what guys? We so love our accommodation as in nakapag-check-in na talaga kami. Finally. And wala guys, I'm so amazed with our accommodation. Like, literally, as in, we so love it. Imagine guys ha, for 5 nights yata. Ayan, because we will be staying longer here in Malaysia compared dun sa Singapore. Mga 5 nights siguro and mga around 16,000 pesos lang siya. Yung total na nabayaran namin. Tapos 4 na kami guys ha. Imagine that one. Nasa ano talaga siya, city center. So tara guys, mag-room tour na tayo. So ayan siya guys. Ito yung pinaka main door. Tapos dito may 2 room siya. Ito is sa kabilang room. Feeling ko may other guests dyan. Tapos dito kami naka-assigned. And 2 bedroom pala to guys. And meron lang siyang mirror here. And tara, room tour na tayo. So, here's the door. Tada! Ayan. Hi sa mo! Uy! Hi! So, dito guys, mayroong TV. Ito, sala set. Dito guys is yung parang table. Dining table. Tapos, you can cook here guys. Kasi parang siyang Airbnb style. Ayan. Sa Agoda pala namin siya nabook. Ito, may heater. May mirror here. Ayan. Tapos, induction stove. May cabinet here. Ayan. Cabinet. Then, dito naman, mga plates. Ayan, utensils. Tapos, lababo. Then, pwede kayong mag-cook here, guys. Tapos, ito naman is the ref. Ayan. Uy, bugnawas na ref. Ayan. Meron silang dustpan. Basura. May 2 bedroom siya, guys. So, apartment style siya. Tapos, may 2 bedroom. Ito, first bedroom is sa kanila to ni Jan at saka kay Tita. Tapos, ito is sa amin. And tingnan nyo, guys. Okay. Uy! Wow! Whoa! Very luxurious. Then, mirror here. Ayan. Tapos, ito, cabinet. Cabinet, side table. Tapos ito yung bed natin, guys. So nakaahon-ahon tayo ng konti dito sa Malaysia. Kaya maganda ang ating room, char. Tapos may curtain, tapos meron lang ano dito, suga, lights. Ayan. Tapos ito naman is outlet and our view. Diba, guys? Amazing! Tapos, may pool pala siya dyan, guys. Oh, ayan. I don't know if you could see it clearly. Ayan, meron siyang pool. Tapos, dito pala, guys, is yung bathroom nila. Ayan. In all fairness, we love it. Ayan. Bathroom. Tapos, meron na silang hand soap. Then, meron na silang sink, tissue. Tapos, dito naman is toilet. Meron din silang bidet. Dito naman, mga hangiran. Ayan. Tapos, dito is may divider siya for the shower. Yan. Yung shower, para siyang ano, guys, oh, rainfall shower. Ayan. Tapos dito naman, shampoo and body soap. So, ayan. You know, in fairness, ang ganda naman ng aming bathroom. Parang yung bathroom dito, guys, I remember yung yung parang accommodation namin dun sa Thailand. So, ayan na ating room tour, guys, dito sa Malaysia. And as you can see, we so love our accommodation, guys. Parang we deserve this one. Char! Nakapag-level up na tayo from our accommodation sa Singapore. Doon pala sa accommodation namin sa Singapore, guys, is maganda naman talaga siya. Yun nga lang, parang if you are not used to hostel, mga ganyan, medyo hassle siya. Tapos, walang lift, which is yan yung pinaka-downside. But we love the neighborhood doon. But anyway, tapos na tayo dun sa Singapore. So, dito na tayo mag-focus sa Malaysia or sa Kuala Lumpur. And right now, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami nag-book nung sa train ride na 5 minutes. And then, from Woodlands train checkpoint going to Johor Bahru, then Johor Bahru to KL Central. Since nandito kami mismo sa Kuala Lumpur nagstay ngayon, as in malapit lang sa Petronas Twin Tower, which is super nice talaga, guys, as in. So eto pala yung sa 5 minutes pala na ride from Woodlands train checkpoint going to Johor Bahru is sobrang mabilis talaga maubos yung ticket. Kaya book ahead if you're also planning to do the same yung sa amin na nag-train ride from Singapore to Malaysia. If you are also planning to do the 5 minutes na ride from Woodlands going to Johor Bahru, is you need to book ahead of time talaga, guys, as in kasi sobrang bilis talaga maubos yung slot papunta doon. Plan your itinerary ahead of time talaga, guys. So, download nyo lang itong app na to. I don't know if you could see it properly. Ayan. Download nyo lang to na app. KTMB. Ayan siya. Ayan. Tapos, yung sa train ride, is dito nyo siya i-click. Ayan, dito. For shuttle kasi tawag niyan. Shuttle. Woodlands CIQ to JB Central. JB means Johor Bahru. Malayo pa to siya sa Kuala Lumpur, guys, ha. Kaya 5 minutes lang yung ride na yun. So, let's say a week from now. Let's say March 20. I am traveling one way. Okay, let's try. Okay. 1 pax lang. Search. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh! 1 week pa yun, ha? 1 week ahead yung pinili ko na seat. Pero tingnan nyo. Grabe. Zero seats na talaga. Oh? Wala na. Ubus na talaga. As in, 0 seats na. Fully booked na siya. So, that's why, plan your itinerary ahead of time talaga, guys. Much better yung months siguro na nag-book na kayo. Like, months talaga siguro kayong mag-book na ahead of time. So, yan yung 5 minutes train ride or yung parang shuttle niya. And then, from JB Central or Johor Bahru Central going to Kuala Lumpur Central is dito naman. I mean here. Like, let's say, JB Central. Then, destination, Kuala Lumpur. Ayan. KL Central. Let's say, then input the date. Let's say March 20 rin. Okay, let's try 1 packs. So, ayan. Ayan, oh. Meron mga, depende na yan, guys, ha. Ayan. Mga time, ayan. Merong 7 a.m. So, darating kayo dito sa Kuala Lumpur around 11 a.m. So, nasa 156 ringgit siya. Oh, 4 seats na lang yung available. 2 seats, 4 seats. Yan. So, make sure talaga guys, mag-plan kayo ahead of time kasi punuan talaga siya. Like, ang bilis niya maubos ng ticket. Tapos pala guys, dito sa accommodation namin is malapit lang kami sa Twin Tower or yung Petronas Twin Tower. Kaya guys, masasabi ko talaga na sobrang sulit ng accommodation na to guys. Kasi imagine guys ha, 4 packs kami. Tapos may 2 bedroom, may living area, may dining tapos kitchen. And then, merong CR, ganyan. And, maka-Netflix din kayo guys. Meron din silang plancha. Tapos, meron din silang hair dryer. And imagine guys, yung nabayaran lang namin for 5 nights kami dito. And yung nabayaran lang namin guys is mga around 16,000 pesos lang. Tapos, yung location niya guys, near lang sa Petronas Twin Tower. Diba? Amazing. Super amazing. So, nandito kami sa Sky Suites KLCC. So, that's why I really, really, really recommend this accommodation, guys, if you are here in Kuala Lumpur. And by the way, meron pala silang deposit, 200 ringgit. Pero, siya, refundable naman siya, guys, if in case na wala kayong nabasag sa room or walang masira dito sa room. So, isa sa ulit naman nila yung 200 ringgit. And nakapag-explore pala kami kanina doon. Pero hindi ako naka-video guys kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. And nabasa kami guys. First night namin, nabasa kami sa ulan dito sa Kuala Lumpur. Which is one of the books. And, ayan. Ito yung view namin kapag gabi na. Ayan. Tapos, nandun yung pool nila. Kaso, parang under renovation daw. Tapos, meron 7-Eleven dyan and meron ding Starbucks. So, I think I will end na my video here, guys. Thank you so much for joining us in our journey from Singapore to Kuala Lumpur or to Malaysia. I hope you enjoy, guys, and meron kayong natutunan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys! Good night.